This is the GreatLPT 4A portable folding lights. That's a great way here if you have a set, if you want to be able to go camping, have something on the go here, you have an RV. This is a great and must-have to be able to bring with you to light up your camping area, your back porch. If you want to have it here to string, it's a great option. With that said, I'm going to be using this for a lot of my shots outside that I'm going to be taking here and videoing. What's cool is it has dividers that is made out of high quality padding and textile to be able to have on the go. What's great here is everything is also included that's needed here for you to be able to operate it. The light comes with a tripod mount, which is great. You've got your DC power plug, which you can obviously use. You got your diffuser and also any clips to mount. With that said, unboxing is very simple and straightforward. Here is your LED array. This is what's going to be adhered to and Velcro to your border to be able to mount it. You have a diffuser here that you can place on top of it so you're not blinding folks. Assembly is required. You're gonna be press fitting it into here, which is gonna give you a clean fitting. If you need to travel with it, you can just press these buttons here to be able to disassemble it. Once you've got it here, you've got a series of Velcroing on the front and back side, which you're going to be attaching this to your LED foldable light. Application is pretty straightforward here. Place this on the front, which is going to give you a little bit of space between. You can place your diffusing screen on here to be able to diffuse out some of that harsh light. Last touch here is adding on the tripod mount, which it comes with, which is nice. Obviously, this can be mounted to larger sets. You have a couple of mounting options here. As you can see, you've got a clip that you can place on a mount if you'd like. You've also got a ball and head joint if you want to place it on a cold shoe mount, which can fit on top of a camera, which is cool. All right, before we turn it on here, plugging it into the DC 32 volt, as you can see, that's plenty enough and power to operate it. You've got your menu here and your LED screen if you want. You can hit select. First step obviously is to turn it on by clicking the switch. You can see here that it actually has the ability to change RGB if that's something you're interested in. You've got your menu here to go through a bunch of different lights and presets. You can reset stuff, and then obviously you can adjust here by pressing select and this other button. With that said, let's go ahead and show you what this looks like. It's very bright. This is going to be your cool light here. You can actually change the RGB to a rave. It's kind of interesting. We've got our pink if you wanted to have that as a tone, yellow, and so on. Turn it off. You can switch the brightness here and whatever you're deciding. If you want to change the blue, you can change it here. You can do the RGB number, whatever color you're looking for. It's fully customizable there. Here's the different colors that you can choose from if you didn't want to necessarily go through it. These are all the preset colors that it goes through, which is actually pretty cool. I like that. Here it's got other preset colors here if you want RGB, yellow, red, and blue. And then you can change the brightness here if you want to go really bright. You can go all the way down to nothing. You also have the ability to change the white balance here. You've got 6500K as a start here. Turn it up. That is very, very cool, very, very white. We're gonna go ahead and bring it down if you wanted to have it, more orange, a more tungsten color, or you can bring it all the way to cool. This is really, really great. I like that. With that said here, this is a really awesome product here to be able to lift your lifestyle here. You obviously are gonna be using this on set. You can have this here as a go-to. Nonetheless, you can have it as a fill light, or you can put it in the back here, which I'm going to be using in my studio. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing availability. Check that out here if you're interested. We'll catch you in the next one.